Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to explain question number 14, exercise 6.1. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Please stop. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always one-sixth of the base. How fast height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. Note of introduction. Now come out to solution here. Implied that sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand form a cone on the ground in such a way that height of the cone is always one-sixth of the base. That is radius. How fast? Fast means time. Height of the sand cone increasing when height is 4 centimeter. So here I shall write, let the radius of the sand cone be r. Let the radius of the sand cone be r. Height of the sand cone be h, and volume of the sand cone capital B. Let the radius of the sand cone be small r and height of the sand cone be h and volume of the sand cone be capital B. So here it says sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. So here it is written 12 centimeter cube per second means centimeter cube per second means volume per second. So here I shall write it is given that dV over dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second. dV over dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second. It is given. Now height of the cone be h and height of the cone is always one-sixth of the base. Means one-sixth of the base means one-sixth of the radius. So here I shall write one-sixth of radius h is equal to height of the cone small h is equal to one-sixth of radius. So here we have got r is equal to 6h we have got. R is equal to 6h we have got. Implied that small r is equal to 6h we have got. Now how fast height of the sand cone is increasing. So how fast? How fast means time. Time. Height of the cone means we have to find out find out dH over dt is equal to what? This thing we have to find out dH over dt, because height of the sine cone increasing with respect to what time. The height is increasing with respect to time. dH over dt we have to find out. Now I shall calculate the volume of the cone. Now here I shall write, hence volume of the cone equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. This is the formula for the volume of the cone. The sand cone की volume we have got. So here r will be converted in this to h. So here I shall write, implied that capital V is equal to 1 over 3 pi in place of r square. So in place of r I shall write 6h. So here I shall write 6h का whole square dot h. This thing will get V is equal to 1 over 3 dot pi dot h in place of r square. R is equal to 6h. R is equal to 6h. 6h का whole square we have got. So now just simplify this one. Here we will get implied that V is equal to V is equal to 6h का whole square comes out to be 6 square, 6 into 6 36 pi over 3 dot h cube. H square will multiply to h, comes out to be h cube. So this thing we have got. You will get here capital V is equal to 12 pi h cube. This thing we have got. Now we have got V is equal to 12 pi h cube. So we have to get dH over dt. So now I shall write 12 pi h cube equal to capital V. So here again I shall write dWRT T. We shall get implied that 12 pi dot d over dt of h cube equal to d over dt of V, implied that 12 pi dot d over dt of h cube comes out to be 3h square dot 3h square dot dH over dt equal to dV over dt. So we have to calculate dH over dt, and dV over dt it is given 12 centimeter cube per second. So here I shall write implied that 12 will multiply to 3, comes out to 12 3 are 36. So here I write 36 pi 36 pi h square dh over dt I shall write equal to dv over dt, it is given dv over dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second. So here I 12. Now 12 will cancel out, you will get here 3. Bharti 36, 3 will get. So here I shall get dh over dt equal to 1 over 3 pi h square. Because here you will get 3 pi h square dh over dt you have got. Now add 4. So here I shall write implied that dh over dt h is equal to 4. Because here it is written the height is 4 centimeter. The height is 4 centimeter. That's why h is equal to 4 I have written. Just we shall get 1 over 3 pi 4 का whole square. We shall get implied that dh over dt h is equal to 4 comes out to be 1 over 4 का square comes out to be 16. 16 3 जा 48. Here I shall write 48 pi. dh over dt we have got at h is equal to 4. 1 over 48 pi. Unit I shall write h. H means centimeter per second. Here write centimeter per second. The answer you have got implied that dh over dt h is equal to 4 comes out to be 1 over 48 pi centimeter per second. This will be the correct answer we have got. Answer you have got dh over dt at h equal to 4 equal to 1 over 48 pi centimeter per second. This will be the correct answer you have got. Now I shall check the answer from the key point here. So here we have got answer you have got dh over dt at h equal to 4 equal to 1 over 48 pi centimeter per second. This will be the correct answer we have got. This is the complete solution and explanation of question number 14 that has been taken from exercise 6.1 chapter 6 application of derivative NCERT 12th mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.